RFK Jr. just pulled $500 million in funding for vaccine development. Let's break it down. First, we're going to start with what happened. The Trump administration is terminating 22 contracts worth nearly $500 million focused on developing mRNA vaccines to fight respiratory viruses and winding down additional federal investments in mRNA technology. The projects that are being axed were funded by the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority, which is a Department of Health and Human Services program that works with the pharmaceutical industry to develop vaccines and other countermeasures for public health emergencies. So why did this happen? RFK said, end quote, after reviewing the science and consulting top experts at NIH and FDA, HHS has determined that mRNA technology poses more risks than benefits for these respiratory viruses. Kennedy suggested that mRNA vaccines failed to sufficiently protect against COVID and flu, that they can be rendered ineffective by a single mutation, and that they can even prolong pandemics. But infectious disease and vaccine experts say he grossly mischaracterizes the science. Dr. Jake Scott, an infectious disease specialist at Stanford Medicine, said, that's exactly why mRNA is so valuable. It's the only platform where you can actually update the vaccine really quickly. An extensive report by the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine on COVID-19 vaccine safety said, apart from myocarditis, the more than 300-page report did not find major safety risks connected with the mRNA vaccines. In terms of myocarditis, a 2022 study reported that Pfizer and Moderna vaccines led to an additional 22 and 31 myocarditis cases, respectively, for every million 18 to 29-year-olds in the United States. Most of these rare cases were mild and didn't cause more than brief chest pain. By comparison, SARS-CoV-2 infection causes myocarditis at much higher rates than vaccination, with the CDC reporting 150 cases per 100,000 COVID-19 patients. What are the consequences and what's next? Many scientists and infectious disease experts swiftly denounced the move as a broadside on an area of research seen as particularly promising after its use in rapidly developing COVID vaccines. The federal government announced in May that it plans to focus NIH's own work on universal flu and coronavirus vaccines employing chemically inactivated whole viruses instead of mRNA.